kailangan ko bayaran, at least may first time na then sabi niya, sige, hindi na kita-update na. Tapos kinikita na sa mga wala akong bayad sa mga cases. Sarap kumain ko. Kakain ito po sila. Assessment time. Pupunta ako doon para kung para kung anything sabi ko rin sa secretary, give me a secretary and I'm going to ito yung mas maganda yun lagi ko sa akin. So try to visit the art space and then yung print shop or yung etching press ng director, yung mas also that's the space of art of values. Science of the times. No one knows kung sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung sumapatil pa ako yung mga bukas. So, siguro kailan ba yung examining sa exam? Sabi na, according to the Bible, kapag na-preach na lahat ng gospel, each and everyone, it's time. It's time na look up. I try to convince each and everyone kung lahat ng ginagawa ko, wala nang sa Israel, wala nang halaga, talaga. Well, when we're talking about spiritual matters, when you die, sabihin na sa'yo, ano bang ginawa mo para sa akin? Hindi yun nagtatanong ngayon, ay, nag-join, or sa atin or sa artist pala. This, after the residencies, I try to fix with the prints of using fingerprints influenced by barangay elections. Alam ko, try something to work. So, hindi ko alam eh, hindi ako makapag-think na ng abstract. I think after we've done the day, and that's the final way I'm doing with my business. It's the great prints. Money is the best example of great print. All you have is 20 pesos. That's an originals. Iba yung reproduction. Reproduction yung Xerox copy, photocopier, and reproduction. But the money that you have is multiple originals. We have the same just like prints. Sinabi print lang naman yan eh. No, we have that kind of things that's exactly print. Ano ba yung original prints? Ano ba yung reproduction prints? That's my next project. This is the last. Sorry. Thank you for Garcia, Kiko, for my hair and makeup. They were the one who did the video and the audio of this class. This is my studio. Try to separate my making studio and my painting studio. That area is Comediana Art Gallery. My need is already in printmaking. Instead of using lithograph or lithostones, pwede na pala yung clay. Actually, when Lex Fernandez invited me to Las Casas, hindi na sana. Makahiya ko lang isang clay dito. Kapag Another one is DAP. And the third one is just as for funny, Mario Piala. Tomorrow is small etching press. But after the show, when Fanny saw all of my friends and then Fanny told me, Joey, I can give you my friends. Kaya mag-etching press ha. Talaga bakit? Natutuwa ko sa trabaho mo. Sabi ko hindi, mabayaran ka talaga. O sige, 1 year today, 50% pa. Wow! Yes! Ay yung BAP. If you are interested to do printmaking, siguro mas may edge yung mga artist ng galing magpinta sa mga galing mag-drawing. Kasi napaka-importante sa printmaking na may ibang mga. Especially when Ben got invited to Tyler Studio, Print Studio. Ni-invite ko si Ben kasi magaling na magpinta. At saka, he knows how to do printmaking also. Sino pa? Ventura, Ronald Ventura. Hindi ko practice painting. But he does a lot of paintings. So malaki yung edge na yun na galing ko magpinta. Not just printmakers. Kaya sa DAP. Yung time na hinubuli na kami ng guard kasi overtime na kami. Sir, isasama na po namin yung kwarto. So, yung tuturo na po kasi kahit kailangan ko practice na yung tuturo po. That's the whole process. The process may Italian. Only new graph kasi using snowballs. So I'll try to call it brick cut or brick print. May workshop po ba tayo? walang ba? Although we've done all this and then try to work on our own and then end pa rin tayo. And then, ligtas pa. Thank you very much.